How to turn off personalized ads on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you turn off personalized ads on TikTok. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application TikTok with your account. Alright, so after you open the TikTok with your account, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on your profile icon just at the bottom right corner. Alright, so from here, you'll have to tap on three lines just at the top right corner. Okay, so from here, tap on setting and privacy. Okay, so from the setting and privacy, you'll have to scroll down and go this section content and display. So from this section, you'll be able to find the options like personalized ads. So right now, I'm not getting that option with the problem of my region voice. So in your case, you might be finding these options like personalized ads. So simply you have to go that option, and now after you go with that option, you will be able to see options like targeted ads. So simply from there, you'll have to turn off that option. So after you turn off that option, you'll be able to turn off the personalized ads on your TikTok. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.